Alright, just wanted to show the differences between the two rust converters I got. This is the rust converter and primer. I put this on probably about 10 minutes ago. I just kind of poured it on there and then smeared it around with a paper towel. This stuff right here is not too thick, but it's not like water, right? Over here we have the Rust Converter Ultra. Now this one is real thin. I did the same thing with this, as I just kind of poured it on there and then smeared it around. So I'm doing the bottom of the ramps with these, testing each of them, and then the top of the ramps is going to get the third one, the coral seal, which is what I sprayed the trailer with. And this stuff works really well. It's real thick. It actually puts like a protective coating on it. I kind of sprayed my wheels just to play around and see what it would do. But you see where it had just paint on it, it's almost like a clear. It's almost like a clear coat that got put on there. This wheel had almost no paint on it at all. Put some on my chains, just kind of playing around, see what it would do. I'm going to spray the rest of the trailer with a undercoating. So I'm just using the coral seal as like a base coat primer. Now, I didn't prep these wheels at all. I just sprayed it on there. The trailer, I did use a wire wheel on all the areas.